In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your laptop in 3 different ways. Let's get started. So there are a couple of shortcuts that you can actually use to screenshot your screen. And in this tutorial, this is the screen that we will be using. First shortcut we will be looking at is the Windows key plus Shift plus S. When you use this particular shortcut, it gives you the opportunity to select the portion of the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. So let's assume that I want to take a screenshot of this portion. I'm just going to hold and drag and select the portion that I want to screenshot. After I'm done, I just release my mouse and then automatically it gets saved for you. So you're just going to select it. When you select the screenshot, there are a couple of things here that you can do with this screenshot. For instance, when you click on this, it gives you the opportunity to highlight some colors that you can use. Okay, you can do things on your screenshot as well. And if you want to clean, just use this eraser to clean it. Then you can also use the highlighter to highlight anything at all. You can highlight anything at all on your screenshot as well. If you don't want the highlighter, you just have to use the eraser to clean it as well. You can also draw circles and other shapes as well. So over here, you can draw a square. If you want to draw a square, just select it. Then you come over here and you draw the square. You can also change the outline of the square, which is the color, which involves the color, and then the opacity and the size as well. And you can also specify the thickness of the size of your circle as well. Now, there is also fill color. You can experiment with some of these things. Okay, there is the arrow and there is the straight line as well. See, if you don't want it, you just use the eraser to clean it. Yeah. Over here is text actions. So when you click on this, you can perform any action on the text. Okay, so you can copy all text and you can quickly do some redact. So you can have email addresses and phone numbers within the text as well. You can use this portion here to undo every change or changes that you've made, and you can use this to redo. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control plus Z for undo and then Control plus Y for redo as well. So this is all about the first prompt that we will be looking at. In case you want to save your screenshot, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control plus S, or you can use this portion. You just have to click on it and then you save it to your local machine. The second option is to use the Windows logo key plus the print screen, and you can locate the print screen closer to the F12 key. This captures the entire screen for you. After taking a snapshot of the screen, all you have to do is head over to your Explorer and then you head over to Pictures. Over here at Pictures, you then get access to all the snapshots that you took using the Windows logo key plus the print screen. So over here, when I select it, you can see that this is the screenshot that I took earlier on. The final option we will be looking at is the snipping tool. In order to get access to the snipping tool, all you have to do is head over to your start menu and in the search bar you can type snipping tool. After opening the snipping tool, head over to this portion over here. On this portion, you get opportunity to take a screenshot of your screen in a rectangle form. You also have the opportunity to take a snapshot of the entire window, the full screen, and you can also use the free form in order to take a screenshot of images as well. So what we can do is that when you click on this new, okay, you get opportunity to use the rectangle. So in case you want to take a snapshot, you just select this rectangle. In case you want to use the free form, just select this and then we head over to this. We can do this. So after selecting this, you realize that it will take a snapshot of the particular portion that you selected for you. So this is how you go about taking snapshots of your screens on your laptop. In case you are looking to record your screen as well, you can use this option. Okay. So this is for taking a snapshot, then this is for recording. So just take your time and explore with some of these things. There are a lot of things you can do with snipping too. So just take your time and explore. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next video.